In 1979, a scientist put chronically ill patients in a room and told them to do absolutely nothing for 45 minutes a day. Their pain scores dropped so much that hospitals still use his method today. That scientist was John Kabat-Zinn, and his book Mindfulness for Beginners explains exactly what he had them do and why it worked. Here's the core idea. Most of our suffering doesn't come from what's happening to us. It comes from our non-stop mental commentary about what's happening. Kabat-Zinn's whole approach is teaching you to notice that commentary instead of getting swept away by it. Let's break down 3 key ideas from the book. Idea 1, mindfulness is not about clearing your mind. Most beginners quit because they think meditation means zero thoughts. Kabat-Zinn says that's impossible and not even the goal. The goal is noticing a thought arrive, naming it, and letting it pass, like watching cars go by instead of jumping in front of them. Idea 2, your body is a shortcut to the present moment. Your mind loves to time travel, replaying yesterday and rehearsing tomorrow. But your body is always right here, right now. That's why Kabat-Zinn built his entire program around something called the body scan, slowly moving attention through each part of your body, from your toes to your head. It sounds boring. It's actually one of the fastest ways to interrupt anxiety because you cannot obsess about the future while fully feeling your left foot. Idea 3, mindfulness is a workout, not a mood. People expect meditation to instantly make them calm. Kabat-Zinn compares it to a bicep curl. 1 rep does nothing, but do it daily, and the muscle, in this case your attention, gets stronger. Over weeks, you get better at catching stress before it spirals, better at pausing before reacting, better at actually tasting your coffee instead of drinking it on autopilot. And this is the part that surprised those original patients back in 1979. They weren't promised a cure, they were just asked to pay attention on purpose without judgment for a few minutes a day. And their bodies responded anyway, because chronic stress had been quietly running their nervous systems for years, and simply noticing it was enough to loosen its grip. That's the real promise of this book. Not enlightenment, not some spiritual escape, just a practical, almost boringly simple habit of paying attention to your actual life while it's happening. And that's exactly why, back in 1979, a room full of patients doing nothing for 45 minutes ended up feeling so much better. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe. We post a new book every single day.